Welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I will show you how to design a polymer clay cutter with a built-in drill guide. It's perfect for creating clean, repeatable holes for pins or jump rings. We'll start completely from scratch in Shapr3D step by step, using a simple circle cutter as the main example. In the description of the video and in the comment section, you can find the link. Then you can download some free files with this drill guide. You can try them on your own printer. So let's start with a sketch. We select circle and we draw a circle of 15 millimeters. Exit sketching. We click the outer line here, go to offset mode, and we create 0.4 offset mode here. And then we select it again and another offset of 0.6 millimeters. It is the support for our blade. And the last offset for handling. Thanks for watching so far. If you are enjoying the video, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. It really helps the channel grow. 2 millimeters. Okay, that's good. Then we make an extrusion. So we select the widest one here. We click the arrow here and 2 millimeters. Then we go for the support and we create an extrusion of 10 millimeters. And the last thing, it will be our blade extrusion 14 millimeters. This is our cutter. So this is the basic shape. What we need to do now, we need to have this drill guide. So small holes, they go through the cutter. I think that 2.5 millimeters from the top is quite good size. So we'll do it like this. You can of course made it to your own purposes, but from my practice 2.5 millimeter from the top is okay. So what we are going to do, we need to go to the top view here. We create sketch and we draw a line. Here's the middle of our circle. So let's just draw a line that goes here in the middle of our circle. Very good. Then we create a top view again and sketch again. And let's draw a circle. Yes, make a circle here. And it's gonna be 1.5 millimeters. It's a good size for a drill guide. We can exit sketching. This line is not necessary for now. We can delete it. All right. So now we have to do two things with this circle, small circle here. We click it. Then we go to move rotate. Maybe we'll change the view. It will look better for now. And we click this arrow here that goes up. And we go up. Then you can just click here and you enter it manually. 11.5 millimeters up. Okay. You can click the front view. Very good. But now what we need to do, we have to make it, we have to rotate it 90 degrees. So maybe I will close it up a little bit. You can see this line here, yes, and with this arrow we rotate it minus 90 degrees. Perfect. We click anywhere. Yes, and then with just one small thing and our cutter is done. You just click it and you see the arrows here. You just click with your mouse and you go through you can see, yeah, when you go through the object, it makes holes in it. So you just go there. You click anywhere, and the cutter is ready. You have the two perfect drill guides in your cutter, and you can repeat the same pattern for any other shape that you wish. Thank you very much for watching, and see you next time. Thank you. Bye bye.